Hello, everybody. How are you? Good morning. Right.
Hello, sir.
That's nice. You know, Julia, I was missing you so much, so I thought I'll come to your class itself.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam, Humaira. How are you? All right, my teacher Hamza, can I get your screen off, please, from sharing the screen? My green pen, Hamza, isn't it, Hamza? Hamza, after seeing your green pen, I've decided to buy one green pen for myself. I love that pen. Okay, Hamza, screen off, please. Unshare the screen share. And how are you, Aisha Aga and Aisha Kazi? Both the Aisha Tens. Good. Isn't that you, Aisha? Or is that Malika ma'am? Right. I don't know if it's you, Malika ma'am, but take care if you are there. There you are. Oh, that's my host. That's wonderful. Right. And where is this Usman? I am going to charge you for all the classes, Usman. No, Hamza, no. I'll unshare the screen again. Come on, Hamza. Okay. So Aisha Kazi, please make me the host, and I'm going to put Hamza in the waiting room now. All right. Once I become the host, Hamza, you're out in the waiting room. If you unshare it again, please unshare it. Good. That's the way it is. Thank you, Aisha. And right. Okay. We'll
Be the host.
thank you, Aisha. And your recording is on. We'll where are the others? Where are the other rights? Are there any other rights? Who all are supposed to join?
There's no more.
That's it.
Yes.
That's it. This is the right group.
Yes.
Wow, this is a lovely group. It's like only 6 of you.
Yes.
Okay, let's get started.
Hamdan is
Malika,
there. Hamdan is not there.
Hamdan's supposed to be there. All right, it's okay. Hamdan should join as soon as we can get the classes on. Now, what I was thinking about to do was something very interesting. You have maths class, you have a science class by Malika ma'am. Is that right? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Malika ma'am has a sore throat and it's good. So I can take up some class. And I thought, okay, we'll do something interesting, something really, really fun. I saw how much you all enjoyed the travel part. Did you all enjoy the traveling? And all of you are like wonderful in the bus. You all are travel friendly people. So, are you in Aurangabad, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Oh, see, Aisha, the moment she came back, she ran away to Aurangabad. That's it. Okay, good. So, what we're going to do is going to talk
I
about the
came
travel.
because of my Khala's wedding.
Oh, okay. All right.
Her
That's good.
wedding is there.
So I can see that this is wonderful. Let's keep the, you all keep enjoying, keep traveling around the world, which is good part of it. Now, what I thought I'll do with you is something very interesting. Okay, yeah, Hamza, we'll do some games. That's what you expect. The outside can only do games, but we'll do something interesting. I will show something. I thought we will talk about this book. This is my one of my favorite books, if you can see. All right, what is written? If you, I am sure it's a mirror image for all of you, but what is written out there?
Atlas.
Atlas. What do you mean by Atlas? Let's see. Let
It's
me
a
pick.
game.
It's a game. All right. Let me put myself as I'll pin myself so you can see me large and okay. There is my book. It is the world map that you can see. That's how the atlas looks like. And I thought, why not? Why not make this entire thing very important? You know, traveling is so integral. Traveling is so much fun part of the world that I want you all to learn the travel. Sometimes I feel most of us don't know which is where in the world. Today we're going to do three things. Okay, we're going to learn about the world as such, the map of the world, and then we're going to talk about a little bit of fun game in travel, and I'm going to ask you all to do some drawing. Is that okay? Okay, do you want to start with a fun game or you want to start a little bit let's start with simple question. What is when we deal with the world, the places, the continent, the ocean, what is that subject? What is the subject called?
Geography.
Okay, thank you, Jweria. It's
Science.
geography. Science, yeah. It is also science, Homera, but when you do about countries, places, everything around, it's geography, isn't it? We are talking about geography and all. And that is one area you want to know. Yes. Imagine, okay, this is a question for you, Umar. Imagine, Umar, you are going to a city, right? let's say from Bombay, you're flying to Singapore. Umar, do you want to go to Singapore? Okay, Umar is going to Singapore. All right, Aisha Aga, you are going to Dubai. All right, so where is Aisha Aga going?
Dubai.
Dubai. Okay, since Aisha is going to Dubai, you all want some shopping. Humaira, why don't you tell her to do some shopping? Aisha, can you do some shopping first also when you're in Dubai? Aisha, will you do some shopping first? Yeah, Humaira, tell her.
For myself.
Oh, only for yourself. Come on. You don't like your friends?
No.
Yeah, I know. I know Aisha Kazi is not such a good girl, but we can do some shopping for her. Yeah. All right. Okay. So now, Umar, where are you going? Which city are you going, Umar? Okay, Singapore. Aisha Aga, where are you going?
Dubai.
Dubai. So now Hamza, very quickly, should Aisha Aga and Umar go in the same plane? Is it okay for them to go in the same plane? So first Aisha will get down, then Umar will get down. Is it okay?
I think it's okay.
I think it's okay. Yeah, all right. What do you think, Juwaria?
It's not okay.
Okay. Humaira, what do you think?
It's okay.
It's okay. All right. What do you think, Umar? Is it okay? Can you go in the same plane? Why double kharcha? You know, expenses will increase. Why do we do that? We go with, like, you know, one she can drop you, you can drop her. Is it okay?
Different country.
Different countries, okay, but sorry, Umar, loudly, speak loudly. Yeah, I like what you're saying.
Plane goes only to one country and
Okay, but what if, you know, the plane can stop in Singapore, then it can stop in Dubai. It's like if we can go, no, isn't it? It's better. What do you think, Aishas?
I
Both the
don't think
Aishas,
it
what do you think?
makes a big difference.
Yeah, it won't make a big difference. All right. So I haven't got one more answering. What do you think, Aisha Kazi now? Everybody answered. Humaira said okay. Juwaira said no. Umar said no. But some of you. But why? Yeah, Aisha Kazi.
Does not stop, like when it's going to one route it goes, so like they should go in different planes.
But why? I like what you're saying. But two planes, too much expense. You know, carbon footprint. You're SDG girls. What do you think?
There are two different there
All
are two
right.
different places.
Okay. Two different countries, two
There
different
are
places.
two
But
different countries for two different planes, so we will have to get off at the different time.
Okay, interesting. Interesting. You all are giving me something what I want to
companies
hear.
that go to this means there is jet that will go to this country. Then there is
Okay.
airways that will go to that.
All right. So, but what if the same plane is willing to go? Won't it be okay then? Now I'm going to show you. See the difference. What you're telling me is the right difference. I'm going to show you where the countries are. Now, this is a world map, right? It's more like, you know, Curie map, but it's fun. It's nice animals and places in the world map. The biggest difference that I was expecting you to tell me is these two countries are at two different places. It's like I can go to Vignar and I can go to Muazzam's house and I can still go to Umar's house. But imagine if I have to go to Hamza's house. Can I go to Vignar and go to Hamza's house? Say, no, sir, Hamza's house is the
because
other
he
side.
does not live.
Yes, Aisha, that's the answer I was looking for. All right. All of you, can you annotate everybody? Are you all okay to annotate? Okay. Whoever wants to annotate, quickly annotate and tell me where is India in this country. Okay. If not, I will improve on the annotate. Okay. Hamza, Aisha, Hamza, you all, Umar got the country. All right. Yeah, I get the country now. By the way, who are you, right? Is that Hamdan or is that ma'am?
That's
Oh, is that
Aisha
you?
Kazi.
Aisha has two IDs. Okay, Aisha, that's nice. All right, great. All right,
No,
so
sir,
now,
it's me. I had some problem in my laptop, so I joined in from my mother's phone.
okay, Hamdan. Okay, fine. All right, perfect, Hamdan. Good, welcome. Now, I like what you are annotating, right? So realize some of you, when I started this thing, this is not India, this is Africa. You are putting me in Africa, all of you boys and girls. I don't want to go to Africa. I love Africa, by the way.
This is
right?
India.
Yes, this is India. Okay,
The
good. So let
Taj
me clear.
Mahal is there.
Oh, that's the way you understood. All right, good. All right, now I'm clearing again. Okay, I'm clearing again. Thank you so much, both the Aishas and Hamdans. All right. Wow, interesting. So here you are. Okay. Now, second question. Where is Singapore? Go ahead and mark Singapore. It's okay. You can choose wherever you think Singapore is. And this time I like you to not put scratch, just a little dot. Okay. Jueria says Singapore is here. Anyone else wants to try out? Okay. Jueria, it's hot or cold? Hot or cold? It's hot. Hot. Okay, it's good. All right, very close. Good. Hamza said something very close. Hamza, I like it. Aisha Aga also. Aisha Aga, you've been to Singapore. I remember Danish took you all to Singapore.
Yeah.
Omar, where did you
Our
go?
cousins are over there.
Your cousins are out there. All right. Jueria has gone a little further down. Okay. All right. So I can see that. Anyone else have gone to Singapore? Have you gone, Hamdan? Not yet?
No,
Hamza
sir,
and
I
Umar?
went to London. I went to
Okay,
London.
you go to London. All right. We'll go to London also
Is it
today.
here? Is it here?
Yeah, close to. So here you are. See, all right. So now you all are learning geography, and this is exactly the purpose of what I'm going to teach you. You know, sometimes if you do not know where the world is, it's like Golden Sparrow students. You should know like this, like this. So we're going to do some fun. All right. Thank you so much. Please. Okay, I'm erasing all the data. Good. So you see, this was India. You got this right. And when you go a little down, can you see all these dotted islands out there? This one, yeah. This is the world's largest. Thank you, Hamza. Yeah, this is the world's largest group of island. What is a group of stars called? Who's going to tell me quickly? Group of stars. Unmute yourself, Jueria. I heard you are moving.
Constellations.
All right. Okay. You all can keep yourself muted, unmuted. It's okay, you know, because there's a small team. If you think there's a lot of noise, then you only mute yourself. Otherwise, it's okay. Constellation. That's lovely. I love you all. Rights are really smart. Right are bright. Wow. We'll also do some poems. What is a group of islands called now? Tough one. The big people also, teachers also don't know that. You know that? What is the group of islands called?
Sir, island relation.
I like that answer, Hamza. I really think you should become the new Roald Dahl. You and Jueria can make up new words because both of you are like absolutely, you know, any word can go anywhere, isn't it? Anyone else? Umar, want to try? What's a group of island called? This is a group of island, and I'll give you the word. Don't worry.
Island
Okay,
nation.
Island nation. Why should I tell you? You all are good with Google, right? Go Google search it. Tell me who can search it fastest. Google search a group of islands. Come on, your time starts now. It's a very difficult word also, by the way. Come on, Jueria, Aishas. Come on, Hamdans and Umars. I want you, Humairas.
Sir, what you said?
A group of islands. What is it called? I'm enjoying it. Come on, Humaira. I want your screen on, please, Humaira. It's okay. You are in your home. Look, Aisha Qazi is all the way away. She's putting a screen on. Come on, Humaira. Your friends love to see you smile. Who's going to tell me first?
Island group.
All right. Okay. Jueria got the word. I can see that. It is R. Yes. I can hear someone else also. Who was that? Was it Hamza or Hamdan? Good. Yes. It is called archipelago. Repeat after me.
Archipelago.
All right. Thank you so much, Humaira. I love you for doing that. Thank you so much for listening to me. Archipelago. Now, this is archipelago. All right. So remember, like constellation is also a big word. You told me so easily. Same way, a group of island is called archipelago. The largest group of island in the world is Indonesia. All right. The largest group of, and remember, whatever I'm teaching you right now, in the last 5 minutes, I'm going to do quiz. I'm going to quiz. And this time I'm going to make a gender inequality quiz, boys versus girls. Hamdan, Umar, I want the boys to win. I'm on your side, okay? We'll defeat the girls. But remember the answers, okay? Everybody. Archipelago. Hamza, you're the captain of the boys team. I want you to make sure that boys don't lose, huh? Remember these words. Okay, good. I can see all your names, Hamza. Don't you dare annotate. I can see you, green pants. Come on, remove that. Good. Okay. Now, so you saw the islands. You saw India. In between this tip, you know, there is a crocodile here. Can you see a crocodile? All of you. This up there, this tip. Only Singapore is a country, but it is very small. It's like an island. So I'll make a small dot here. Can you see a dot? That's Singapore. That is Singapore. It is so small, but it is a beautiful
Where is
country.
Singapore?
Can you? Oh, Aisha, you went to Singapore. Can you see my dot? Okay, I'll make it. Yeah, Umar. Thank you so much, Umar. All right. So one free ticket to Sharif Bhai and Umar. Will not tell Dr. Mumtaz. Okay, Umar, you go and come next week. Right. Good. So we
I have
this
already gone to Singapore.
I know you've gone to Singapore. So now we remember what was my earlier question? Singapore. Okay.
How?
What's the capital of Singapore? Very easy question. Even Usman can give an answer. Usman, tell me
Asia.
Singapore. Uh-huh. All right. What's the capital of Singapore? Umar says, Usman, ask Usman to say Singapore, Umar.
I don't know.
See, this fellow is not here. When I ask him, he doesn't say. You know, the capital of Singapore is Singapore. That's it. Yes, good. It's either called Singapore or Singapore City, but both are right. Now, somebody said Asia. I have a problem. Why? Asia is a continent.
I heard.
No, it's okay, Aisha. It's absolutely okay. Asia is a continent, and that's what I want to teach you today. Yeah, Hamza, thank you so much. See, Hamza put the circle. Hamza, do the circle again. I want to do the circle again. The entire circle Hamza did. Hamza, your circle should go a little down itself here.
Asia is the world's largest continent.
Yeah, thank you, Hamdan. You are right. Okay, so we are going to learn a little bit of continent because that's what the world wants. You have to. But now, remember my original question was, who was going to Singapore? Which of your right colleague was going to Singapore here? Who was going?
Umar.
Who was going to Singapore? Tell me, me. Who was going? Tell me your name. Juwaria, you're muted. Umar, who was going? No, Umar was not going to Singapore. Umaira, who was going to Singapore? You forgot. Aisha Aga was going to Singapore. Wasn't she?
No.
I was going to Dubai.
Oh, she was going to Dubai. Oh, Umar was going to Singapore. Okay,
Umar was
thank
going
you.
to Singapore.
Ah, right. Umar, you should tell me, Daud sir, I was going to Singapore. Okay, now where is Dubai? Okay, so before we go to Dubai, let's find out which country is Dubai in.
UAE.
Come on. UAE. What's the full form of UAE?
United Arab Emirates.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. United Arab Emirates. Now, collectively, there are many countries in that area. What is the region called? That full area is called? Circle the area first. Circle the area. Come on, Aisha Kazi. Come on. Umaira, you can't find? Okay, no problem. Anyone wants to circle the full
Sir,
area?
can you zoom in the map?
Oh, it's okay. I think, is it too small for you? Wait a minute. Thank you. I'll do that.
We can do 150, 150 and
I will do
200.
that. Yeah. I will increase it. Okay. Okay. Now, can you see India now? Okay, Hamza, just remove your annotation for a minute, Hamza. Can you all see now? It's big enough. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Hamza, remove your annotation for. Okay, thank you, Hamza. You saw now. I'll put it this way. Okay, but I want to see the full map.
Philippines is over there. It's so small.
So you saw India and cow. All right, these are all countries which are famous for what country? And you saw the crocodile, which is very famous in Indonesia and Malaysia. And then you saw, I don't know what animal is that. Anyone, any idea what animal is this in Thailand, where my cursor is?
That's a deer.
It's a deer. Oh, that's very strange looking deer.
That's a
All right.
hyena.
Hyena. Okay,
Hyena.
possibly. Yeah, possible. Looks like something like, not like a deer for sure. Now, thank you for annotating. Can you see Saudi Arabia? Thank you, Umar. That is Saudi Arabia. And right next to this, this is where UAE is. Can you see that? Oman is here and this is UAE. Can you see just right there? Now, in UAE, that's where Dubai is. Can you all annotate? Can you put a dot out there? This is the tallest building in the world now, right? Thank you, Aisha, Hamdan, everybody. Okay, I get the point. Fantastic, Juwaria, fantastic. Humaira, come on, annotate, Humaira. All right. So now you know where Dubai is. Okay, also annotate Singapore now. Guys, quickly go ahead and annotate Singapore for me. Thank you. I want you to make a line. Okay, annotate, Hamza, not the circle, and put a small dot. Okay, all right. Thank you. Okay, Humaira, I'll accept that. Thank you so much for all the kacharas you did. Now, imagine, where is Mumbai? Okay, interesting, isn't it? Where is Mumbai? Of course, this is not an actual map, so it's a little here and there, but you should know where Mumbai is. Okay, put a dot.
Here.
Okay, I got it.
Sir is right
where-
next to the Taj Mahal because
Yeah,
Taj
yeah, no,
Mahal
no, but
is in
don't worry,
Mumbai.
Humaira, don't get confused. Taj Mahal is way away in Agra, isn't it? Yeah, right where the cow will do the potty, that's where Mumbai is, isn't it? Just to make you understand, okay? Just to make you understand, so you all know where Mumbai is. Now, imagine one of you have to go here, okay, from Mumbai to Dubai. One of you have to go from Mumbai to Singapore. How can you take the same flight? You realize Umar and Aisha are going in two different directions. They are completely different, opposite to each other.
Yes.
Did you realize it? Can now they go in the same plane? Is it better SDG carbon footprint or is it worse?
Yeah,
One of them.
because Dubai is from Mumbai to here, and then Singapore is
Yes,
from
did
Mumbai to
you?
over here.
My goodness. Clap for all of you. Now you realize why you should learn geography and the world map. Do you realize that? Because these are two different places. So tomorrow, if you decide, and let's say, tomorrow Humaira Qasim becomes very rich, like Amazon founder, and she has a plane of her own. She's okay, my friends, I will take you on a plane ride. Anywhere I'm going, I will drop you. And she decides to drop you, but then she will spend more petrol and fuel by going to different directions. Whoever did the arrow, thank you so much. Your arrows are wonderful. Who did that arrow? Really very nice.
Sir, I did it.
Eyes, I think Hamdan, right?
Umar.
Oh, Umar. Okay, all right. Yeah, you both have very similar. Umar, really nice. Thank you so much. So now this is why we need the maps. You learn three cities today. Okay, you learn about Mumbai, you learn about Singapore, and you learn about Dubai. By the way, is Dubai the capital of UAE, United Arab Emirates? What do you think?
Yes.
Any idea, guys? Is Dubai the
Yes,
capital of
sir.
UAE? Yeah.
No, sir. I think it's Sharjah or Abu Dhabi.
Okay, I like. Who is voting for Sharjah? Who's voting for Abu Dhabi? All right. Hamdan says it's Sharjah, Abu Dhabi. What do you think, Umar? Sharjah or Abu Dhabi? Tell me. Come on. I want some answers. Juwairiya, what do you think? Sharjah or Abu Dhabi? It's okay. You don't have to be perfect, guys. You don't have to tell me the perfect answer. All I need is just want to know what you think about it. Sharjah. Okay. All right. There is actually a very nice juice called Sharjah Shake. I love that. It's banana Sharjah Shake. And Shazia ma'am hates it. That's why I love it even more. Yeah, Aisha, really. Aisha like, oh, really? You hate Shazia ma'am so much? Yeah, Aisha Kazi, I hate Shazia ma'am so much. Whatever she does not like, I like. Okay. All right. So now, today class, you're learning a lot of things. Remember?
Abu Dhabi. I think so.
Abu
I
Dhabi.
voted
All
Abu
right.
Dhabi.
Perfect. It is Abu Dhabi. All right. So the capital of Singapore is? Okay, we'll not do the quiz now. Don't worry. I'll ask you these questions afterwards. Okay. So you learn about Singapore, you learn about Mumbai, you learn about Dubai, and you also got to know about what Abu Dhabi is. Today in your geography class, I'm going to teach you about continents. Very simple. We already learned something new. So this is your learning today. Again, we'll also have a little. Yes. Tell me.
I know all 7 continents of the world.
Perfect. The world is in front of you, Hamza. I want you to annotate quickly tell me the continent which is Africa. Come on. I'm sorry the word is there, but just use your annotation. All right, Hamza is on top of the line. Good. Okay, Hamza, boys have got, okay, Juwairiya, thank you, but Hamza was done. Good. Okay, boys, 10 points for the right answer. Only girls now. If you annotate, the girls will get the point. Girls, I want you to annotate Australia. Humaira, Aishas, come on, Juwairiya, Australia, girls. Oh my goodness, I got half wrong answer. Juwairiya and Aisha have gone to the wrong continent. Aisha Aga has gone to the right continent. Only 5 points to the girls because, boys, I want you to annotate. Oh my God, Aisha Aga went very Fell's way. Boys, annotate Australia. Oh, look at the boys. Doing good. It's okay. We are one team.
Sir,
Perfect.
it is here, no.
Yes. The right one is this one. Okay.
I got it right, sir.
No, but your team members, it's one team. So boys are 10 points. See, I'm doing in red. Okay. So this is
Sir,
Australia.
but you should have not said that I got correct answer. Now, boys, no.
No,
That's
it's okay. I'm not giving boys any point. Okay, I'll give a tough one to boys. Okay, boys, circle, Europe. Come on, boys.
I
Circle
know
Europe.
Europe.
No, Europe, boys. Nice. Oh, Umar knows where Europe is in green. Okay, I don't have to annotate. I think I can just tell you the colors. Okay, boys are doing very good. Girls, circle North America. Remember North America. Okay, where Donald Trump is. Come on, girls. Boys, remove the annotation. Otherwise, okay. Girls, your turn. North America. Okay, Aisha says that. Is Aisha thinking red is North America? What does Juwaria think? Humaira thinks, yeah? All right, girls, that's the right answer. Good answer. Okay. Yes, good. So, Hamza, I'm going to ask you all the 7 continents after this. Okay, boys. I'll give a tough one to the boys. Don't worry. Circle Antarctica. Let's see. My goodness, Hamza, Umar. Nah, they know their continents. Don't worry. We'll put the boys in Antarctica, freezing cold. We'll put them in the t-shirts and shorts. All right, boys, good. Girls, quickly, this is your chance. All right, girls, circle the largest continent in the world. I'll not tell you which one. So
That's easy.
Come on, Aisha. All right, Humaira is wonderful. Oh, Juwaria is good. Fantastic. Come on, where are you, Aisha Aga? All right, I can see you. It's a blue one. Which one is it, by the way?
Russia.
Asia. Good. Okay.
Russia.
No, Russia is a country in Asia. Okay.
Sir, -5.
No, Hamdan, we'll be easy on them. You already are leading by 5 points. You already have 5 extra points. All right. Okay. Anybody? It's a quick one. Circle South America. 5 points bonus. Whoever circles first. 5 points bonus. Circle South America. Whose was that? Aisha Kazi, where did you go? No, it's a purple one. South America. Boys get 5 points more. But good. All right. Take a bow. How do you do dab? Show me. Hamza, how do you do dab? Umar, Hamza? Like that? Okay, good. Now, great. I think we just played a game on learning about the continents of the world. I'll do a little topic, a little discussion on the continents.
One more country.
That's it. 7 continents, Aisha. Okay,
No,
tell me the 7.
one more.
How can I add one more continent when there are only 7, Aisha? Okay, so quick question. Okay, everybody, whoever gives the answer first, again, get 5 points. Remember, boys are leading by 5 points, but it's okay, right? Tell me how many continents name starts with A, letter A. How many? Just tell me the number. You can write down the number if you want to, or shout the answer, whatever you think. Hamdan says 2. Okay, boys might lose 5 points. 4. Humaira says how many? Who said 4? I heard a girl's voice saying 4. Was it Humaira? Hamza said 4. Okay, but girls, anyone wants to say? Anyone? No. Aisha Kazi, Juwaria, no, you didn't jump.
One.
1. Aisha Aga says 1. Aisha Kazi says 3. Okay, boys get 5 points. Hamza says 5. Hamza, tell me 5 now. Hamza, you might lose. Tell me. If it's 5, boys get 5 points.
4.
No, Hamza said 5. So nobody gets a point. Juwaria says 4. Okay, tell me the name. Okay, each one of you. All right, I'll call your name and tell me. Hamdan, tell me the first name.
Asia and Antarctica.
Asia. Okay, Umar, tell me the rest of 2. Hamdan already told me 2. Umar, tell me 2 more.
Australia and Antarctica.
Okay, so I got Asia, Australia, Antarctica, and one more. No one saying. Tell me, Hamza. Tell me. Okay, America. All right. Okay, Hamza, I like the way you said, but America could be north and south. But actually, Hamza is right. Hamza has said very beautifully. So remember. Actually, Hamza, then it becomes 6. Okay, I'll tell you how.
Sir, should I say?
Yeah, tell me. Go ahead, Juwaria, tell me.
Because there are 2 America, South America.
Yes, agree. Go ahead. I'll let Juwaria speak up. Go ahead, tell me the answers.
Just a second.
Hey, no cheating. Tell me from the memory.
North America, South America, Asia, Australia, and America.
You already said America. Okay. Where it's very cold. Come on, where it's very cold.
Antarctica.
And where you have lots and lots of animals like Hamza and Hamdan.
Africa.
Africa.
Africa. All right, wild animals like them. Okay, good. So the only continent which is not with the letter A is, come on, Aisha Aga, I want you to tell me the answer. The only one which is not.
Russia.
No, Russia is a country, okay? Russia is a
Europe.
Europe.
country.
Europe. Europe.
Europe.
Europe. Okay. So 6 continents have the name beginning with A. If you consider North and South as just like a prefix, so the Americas are 2. Asia is the largest. Which is the smallest continent? Which is the Usman of the continent part? Tell me. Tell me which one.
Sir, Australia.
Europe.
Good,
Sir,
Hamza.
Australia.
Okay. Europe is second,
Australia.
Australia. Right, Hamza? I can see the answer. It's Australia. Thank you so much. Good. So Australia is like the youngest one of it. So then there is Africa, there's Antarctica. So these are your continents of the world. Doing good, guys. You're doing good. You are learning well about the continents. Okay. You know, when we are physical, we play this game. We all go to one corner. Okay. So I'm going to play a game after this, and then we'll be, you know, like how we played in the camp, and I'll play a little game where. Oh, there he is. The Australia has come now. Give one tight tapak to Australia. Come on over, do that. Okay. All right. Okay. So now this is a little theory for you to understand. Okay. A continent is a very, very large landmass. Usually it's separated by water or mountains, and there's 7 continents, and you did better. Continent of the whole world, actually, you know, it's easy to make it easy. 30% of the world is land. That is continent. 70% is water. What is the water called? The 70% of water will be called then? Come on, guys. It starts with O. The big water, like the ocean. Thank you. And next time when I meet you, I'll talk about the ocean. How many oceans could there be in the world if there's 7 continents?
7 oceans.
I like the answer, but no, it's less than 7.
One ocean.
5, 4, 4. 5.
Okay, all right. Any answer you'll tell, right? It's 5. All right, thank you so much. 5. Now we learned about this, so we'll do a little talk about this. All right. Asia is the biggest continent. Hamza, can you read something for me? Whatever you like. Any 1 or 2 lines, Hamza. Whatever you like. Go on, go ahead.
Sir, from the passage or from my mind?
No, from the passage.
Okay. The Dead Sea, the lowest point on land, is also in Asia.
Okay, thank you. Anything else, Hamza, want to read?
Asia is a home to tigers, monkeys, and
Okay.
great pandas.
Giant panda. All right. So the lowest area is the Dead Sea. It's a very interesting thing. You know, so I can only, we can only do a continent theme, and you can talk so much about it. So Dead Sea is a landmass. It's called dead because it is full of salt. You know, imagine if I throw you, Hamza, in the Dead Sea, you will not drown. You will float on Dead Sea. Really, it's so much interesting. And Asia is also home to tigers, monkeys, and Alfia ma'am, right? So what is good about her? Isn't she a panda, right, Alfia ma'am? So Asia has lots of different, each continent, the best part, I love animals. Each continent have different kind of animals, and we'll talk about it. Also the Himalayas, the world's tallest mountain range is in Asia. And one of the major countries of Asia is India, China, even half of Russia is in Asia. All right. So you keep saying about Asia, Russia, half of Russia is in Asia. All right. Can I have Omar read the next one for me? Any 2 things. So after Asia, it's Africa. Omar, any 2 points you like?
The river Nile is in Africa, is thought by many to be the longest river in the world. Although some claim the longest in the river Amazon in South America.
Okay, wonderful. So Africa is River Nile. Do you know River Nile from the story of Musa alayhi salam? Yeah, Prophet Moses. Yeah. So he was thrown in the River Nile. It's filled with what animal?
Hippopotamus and crocodile.
Wow, yes, hippos and crocodiles. Okay, so River Nile, and which country is Nile in? Nile is called the gift of which country?
Egypt.
Wow, I love your answers. Egypt, good. Okay, Omar, any other line you want to read?
In Africa, you will find giraffes, elephants, and lions.
Okay, so in Africa, you find Shabana ma'am, elephants and lion, right? So there's so many different kind of animals in Africa. Aisha Kazi, you're telling Shabana ma'am is giraffe? I will tell that to her. That's all right. Okay, so Africa has more countries than any other continent because there's so many countries in Africa. 54 countries in Africa, and some countries are like South Africa, Egypt, Nigeria, and also the world's largest desert is in Africa, the Sahara Desert. Good.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
Africa is a home to Shabana ma'am, elephants and
Yeah, you said that. Huh? It's recorded, Hamza. It's been recorded. Don't worry. All right. Humaira Qasim, can I ask you to read any one line from here? A new continent, North America. Come on. Come on, Humaira. Humaira Qasim, 5, 4.
My
Go ahead,
internet
Humaira.
is really bad.
It's okay. I can understand. Humaira, if you can just speak up, Humaira. Okay. Humaira, can you speak? No? Okay. Can I have Jueria read any one line from North America?
Pumpkins and corns, original come from here.
Okay, pumpkins and corns originally come from here. So North America is known. Where do they use pumpkins? These North Americans, the Americans and the Canadians. Which very
Halloween.
Halloween. Halloween. All right, good. Any other line you want to read, please?
North America is home to bears, mooses, and the
Skunks. Skunks are the most
Skunks.
smelly looking animals. So North America is home to bears, moose, and Shazia ma'am. Really smelly one, huh? Isn't it? So that's yes. So yes, Hamza, tell me.
in Africa there is one of the most coldest deserts, the Sonoran Desert.
Oh wow, this is interesting. I didn't know that. That's a very interesting topic you're telling me. So yes, these are some of the pointers you are telling me about. Guys, give me a minute. I'll just join you. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Why don't Aisha Kazi read the next one and I'll come back. 1 minute.
Tomatoes, potatoes, and chocolate all come from South America originally.
Is that Machu Picchu?
All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry. Okay, we're almost out of time. Okay, let's do the continent quickly. Aisha Kazi, you read any too?
No,
I read
sir.
only one. South America is where you will find llamas, sloths, and jaguars.
Okay, nice. So now remember Amazon, the rainforest is there, and South America is like a small continent. In fact, both the Americas have very little countries. North America is small, many countries, but big three countries only. We learned about this, right? North America has main countries are USA, Canada, and Mexico. And South America has again small countries, but big ones they are crazy about football. Brazil and Argentina is one of them. Yes, tell me. Sorry, you were telling something.
Picchu.
Yeah.
Is that Machu Picchu?
Machu Picchu. Oh, I'm so sorry, I didn't hear. Yes, absolutely right. Wonderful. Is that Hamdan? Machu Picchu.
Hamza.
Hamza. Oh, really, Hamza? I think I love the way you love geography. It is in Peru. It is one of the wonders of the world. 7 wonders of the world is Machu Picchu. And all your world's chocolate come from South America. Imagine. And coffee also. So I love South America. Yay. And football also. Your Lionel Messi is from South America. Which country is he from?
Argentina.
Brazil.
Argentina. All right. Right. Remember Argentina. Brazil is a big country also. But the Brazil has the world's one of the most beautiful flag in the world. Remember the cap I wore in the camp? I'll show you that.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, so these are some of the countries out there. I've got few more, but I think your time's up. This is the last one, or there are two more. Antarctica. Who did not read? Aisha Aga, can you read one line for me quickly, and then we'll close this session?
Each year, hundreds of scientists live and work in Antarctica.
Wow, I love the way the point that you chose, Aisha. Very nice. So Antarctica is like, usually the coldest. Nobody usually people live there, but there are hundreds of scientists who go there. The best way to learn about climate change. Which goal is climate action? Quickly, boys and girls, come on. Your quiz starts now.
Goal number 13.
Oh, that's nice. Girls get 5 points extra. So it's balanced now, boys and girls. Antarctica is the best place to go there, right? And it has home to penguins, albatross, and seals. Okay, good. We've got two
Our
more
next
continents.
Golden Star trip will be to
Wow,
Antarctica.
let's go. Okay. I'm not going through the two more continents. I'm just running through. When I meet you next
Arctic
time,
is
I'll do.
not a continent.
Arctic is a part of usually North America itself or Europe. So that's how they count it. So Antarctica, because it's larger, that's why they call it an entire continent. All right. But which is very interesting question that you asked me. Europe, we didn't go to Europe. We'll talk about Europe in a separate way. But beautiful country,
Europe?
UK. Yes.
Europe is France.
Yeah, France is in Europe, Germany is in Europe, United Kingdom is in Europe, UK,
Paris?
and Paris is the capital of France. So because these are, and Europe is like really like rich countries and very smart countries. The world's best cars are from there, and smaller animals are in Europe, like
They
foxes
don't
and wolves
follow
and bears.
SDGs. They don't
They
take
follow
up
the SDG, but yes, they are very very particular about SDG. Spain is in Europe. Your Cristiano Ronaldo is in Europe, so that's what we are talking about. And the last one is Australia. They should call it
Cristiano
Australia
Ronaldo
here.
is from Portugal.
Oh, I'm sorry, but Portugal is in Europe, isn't that right? That's what
I
I
don't
meant.
know.
You didn't know? Okay, Portugal is in Europe. So good. You learn something. Australia, another continent. I'll do each of these. I will talk about it as I come and speak about it. But Australia, very small, the world's smallest continent. And the best thing about Australia is, can you see this picture? It's this picture is
Yeah, it's
the,
so beautiful.
yeah, it is a coral reef. It is when you go scuba diving, you can see the coral reef. They say that the coral reef in Australia, it is called the Great Barrier Reef, can be seen from space. From space, you can see it. Isn't it amazing? And because of use of plastic, of course, the barrier reef is turning white. Otherwise, it's beautiful fishes. And Australia has what animals? Kangaroos, koalas, and Aishas.
Emus.
Emus. Okay, so this is your class. Are you ready for your quiz? 5 questions. Let's see who gives the answers first. All right, very, very quickly. What is the capital of UAE?
Abu Dhabi.
Oh, Hamdan said that. All right, boys, 1 point to boys now. It's all equal. We'll get it good. What's the capital of Singapore?
Singapore.
Singapore City.
Umar said it. Oh, I heard Umar. I heard Umar. Aisha. I heard Umar say that. 2-0. Boys are doing good. Which continent is Dubai in? Which continent is Dubai in?
UAE. No. Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
Minus
Asia.
1 point to boys because they gave the first. Minus 1 point to girls also. It's Asia. Full.
Then I
Remember-
told Asia.
You told Asia, Umar, but I heard
No,
of
he
that
didn't
first. I'll be
answer.
fair.
He didn't
Yeah, I'll be.
answer.
No, yeah, Aisha, it's okay. I'll be fair.
Told
So only minus one to boys. Girls already have no points, so no minus. Remember, I told you the map. It's okay. You learn. Okay, 3 points done. Okay, the world. Okay, which continent has giant pandas?
China.
Africa.
Hamza said China. China is a country. We are learning continent, Hamza. Humaira said Africa. Both are. Which continent?
Asia.
China is in Asia. Hamza is right. 2 points again. Boys are 2. Girls, last chance. If you don't get it right, then I'll give the prize to boys. It's okay. You are learning something very interesting. Okay, we learned so many things, right? Okay. Which continent has this largest coral reefs?
Australia.
Australia. Girls said Australia. Boys said Europe. Minus 1 to boys. Plus 1 to
No,
girls.
sir. I said Australia.
Okay, I heard Umar. This time I'll be fair. Girls, you were very good, but the boys were quicker this time. So, boys, you win. Don't sulk, Juveria. It's okay. All right, they'll celebrate. Go ahead. We will do more of continents. You enjoy the continents? We'll have fun. All right. Okay. Bye, everybody. What's your next class, Newtons? Oh, okay. You got German. All right. You can go. Which continent is Germany in?
Europe.
Europe.
Good. Good answer. All right. Bye bye, everybody. See you. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you. We had a very fun class.
I had fun with you all.
Uh,